Hi everyone, I'm Brooke with Cakes Concealed Carry, and today we're going to talk about caring for your cakes bag so it can last you years. Our bags are made from 100% naturally milled cowhide leather, which means they need a little bit of love. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. Since our bags are made from 100% naturally milled cowhide, the grain is natural and not overly polished, and each bag has its own character. Because leather is a natural material with daily use, you will experience things like scuffs and scratches, which is totally normal. This cakes bag has been with me for almost 6 months. It has a little bit of wear and tear on my leather. It's got some creases, it's got some scratches, and overall it makes it uniquely mine. All of our bags do come with their own dust bag. This protects it from sunlight, dust, and scratches when you're not using your bag. I do put my bags that I'm not using in their dust bag, which keeps them well protected. If you notice your bag is sagging or becomes a little bit misshaped, using something like tissue paper, socks, a small pillow, stuffing your bag, and then using a little bit of heat can help aid in making the shape just right again. I let this bag in particular lose its shape to demonstrate to you what can happen when this happens and how to fix it. After you've pressed your bag out into the original shape, you can use a blow dryer on low heat to kind of warm the leather up before stuffing it. Once you've done all those steps, your bag should regain its original shape quite easily. Every couple of months, it's important to use a leather cleaner and conditioner. This keeps the leather on your bag supple and soft. Here at Cakes, we've been loving Leather Honey. It's affordable and super easy to find, and we love how it works on our bags. Leather cleaner is super simple to use. Just spray on a cloth, apply it to your bag, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe off the excess. After you've applied the leather cleaner and let it sit for a few minutes, just wipe off the excess with a clean cloth. After applying your leather cleaner and conditioner, your bag will look shiny and new. If you have one of our zipper bags, we do have a few tips to keep the zipper running smoothly. Adding a little bit of beeswax or beeswax natural lip balm to a makeup brush and applying it to your zipper once or twice a year can really make a huge difference. Every year or two, it's important to bring your bag to the bag spa. Take your bag in, have it reconditioned, have any of the scratches buffed out, get it looking like new again. With a little bit of love and care, you can really get your cakes bag to last years. It's supposed to be a part of your everyday life, and these bags are excellent for that. We have made these bags perfect for everyday carry, and it will last you if you take care of it. I hope this has made you feel confident in taking care of your cakes bag. We'll share more cakes, tips and tricks, and lifestyle content soon. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave us a comment. Make sure to subscribe to see all of our videos, and stay tuned for our next one. Sorry.